Most students think revision means reading the same boring notes again and again. What if I told you that revision can actually be fun? Like a game, creative activity, or even a challenge. Hi, I'm Pankaja Baphna, your smart study coach, and in today's episode of 90 Days to 2026 series, I will share 5 ways to make revision not just easier but actually enjoyable. Number 1, the 15-minute game. Set a timer for 15 minutes and revise one topic. See how much you can recall. Make it a game. When you beat your own record, your brain gets that dopamine kick, and that's pure motivation. Number 2, create a mind map movie. Don't just rewrite notes, make a mind map using colors, arrows, or doodles. You can even narrate it like a movie. Convert your boring topics in creative movie. For example, once upon a time, the digestive system. Complete this. Your brain remembers visuals and stories 5 times faster. Number 3, quiz yourself creatively. Use flashcards or sticky notes. Write questions on one side and answers on the other side. Stick them around your room, bathroom, mirror, fridge, laptop, wherever you can see them frequently. Random recall boosts memory. Number 4, teach to retain. Pick a sibling, parent, or even your mirror. Explain the topic in your own words. If you can teach it clearly, you have mastered it. Number 5, the reward rule. Most of us forget to reward ourselves. After every 45 minutes of revision, reward yourself. It can be simple 5 minutes music break, a snack, or walk. Rewards make your brain associate revision with positivity. So next time you sit for revision, remember it doesn't have to be boring. Use colors, games, and creativity, and your brain will thank you on exam day. If you found this helpful, hit that like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who always says, I will revise tomorrow. See you in day 11 of 90 Days to 2026 Smart Study series, where we will talk about how to remember formulas faster. Stay tuned.